This video shows you how to configure app settings. APN is the key for mobile routers to connect to carrier cellular networks 4G, 5G. It must be properly configured to access the internet. We will be using our Z8102AX-T router. Please insert the SIM card before powering on the device. Hot plugging of SIM cards is strictly prohibited. The SIM card must be installed correctly. First, connect the power cord to the router and insert it into the socket. Your router will turn on automatically. Now, connect your devices. Connect devices to router via Wi-Fi or Ethernet. In device settings, select available Wi-Fi network. Find router's name, click Connect Auto Connects in seconds. You can find the network name and password on your router's label. To connect via Ethernet, plug the Ethernet cable into the WAN port, then connect to your device. Open your browser and input. Access the router's administration panel at 192.168.1.1. Then enter the password default, admin. Click to login. Language preference. We have now entered the administration panel. Click on Network. Select 3G, 4G, LTE. Enter your carrier's APN key in the App Server optional field. Finally, tap Save to apply your changes. Setup complete. Check 3G, 4G, LTE signal status.